Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the Universal Turning Machine V-Turn 410 Pro. The V-Turn Pro is the latest generation of our bestseller conventional lathe V-Turns. The new design makes them stand out from many other lathes on the market and brings them one step closer to the end user in terms of ergonomics, safety and operation. A heavy ribbed machine bed and a massive one-piece cast iron frame provide the solid base for this machine. The wide hardened and ground guideways ensure superior turning results even after many years of operation. A powerful 5.5 kilowatt motor and the two-stage gear in the main spindle drive provide a great deal of torque for efficient machining. The continuously variable speed range extends up to a maximum speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute. The auto feed of the carriage has been redesigned and combined in a single control module, making it faster and much easier to operate. The integrated central lubrication simplifies the maintenance of the machine, and the new cover of the lead screw is now maintenance-free. The range of functions of the X-Post position indicator has been expanded for the V-Turn series by adding the additional function of CCS, constant cutting speed. The spindle speed is automatically adapted based on the turning diameter, thus enabling a service quality that is comparable to that of CNC lathes. The range includes a quick change tool holder system, a coolant system, steady rests, and much more. At KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer additional accessories and a large number of powerful lathes in almost every size. Contact us today to find out more.